Hello children, welcome to the second part of our chapter Active and Passive Voice. In the first part of the chapter, we have discussed some of the rules of changing the active voice sentences into passive voice. Now, in this second part, the remaining rules for the active and passive voice will be explained. Children, in the previous video, I have explained you present and past tense, which were having 6 parts. Present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous tenses were not there because the sentences is in present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous tense cannot be changed into passive voice. Now we are starting with our next tense, that is simple future. In simple future tense, we use the verb will or shall. For changing it into passive voice, we have to change it will or shall be along with the third form of the verb. Examples are the simple sentences, he will never hurt you. That will be changed like this, he will never be hurt by him. Now the interrogative sentence, will he write a story? It will be changed into passive voice like this, will a story be written by him? Now future perfect tense. In future perfect tense, we use the verb will have or shall have along with the third form of the verb. For changing it into passive voice, we change it like this, will have been or shall have been along with third form of the verb. Example of simple sentence is, we shall have painted the whole house. It will be like this in passive voice, the whole house will have been painted by us. Interrogative sentence is, will mother have cooked the food? It will be changed like this, will the food have been cooked by mother? Children, here one most important thing is that the sentences of present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense also cannot be changed into passive voice. Apart from these tense rules, there are some other important tips. The first one is, if the given sentence is in the imperative form, to change it into passive voice, we use let. If the sentence is in order or command form, then we will change it like this. In active voice sentences, shut the window. It will be changed like, let the window be shut. If the sentence is in request form, then we will change it in like this. Please pass me this bag. You are requested to pass me this bag. If there is any advice, then it will change like this. You must take rest. Rest must be taken by you. Next important thing is that if the question in active voice begins with a helping verb, the passive voice must also begin with a suitable helping verb. Like in active voice, we are having the sentence, are you ordering a new furniture? It will be changed into passive voice like this, is a new furniture being ordered by you? Next example is, will you finish this work? Will this work be finished by you? Next important thing is, if the question begins with how, what, when, where, then the passive voice must begin with the same. Like, why did you cover this car? Why was the car covered by you? If there is who, then it will be replaced then by whom. Like who bought a new kite? By whom was the new kite bought? Children, now I am giving you active passive voice chart. You copy down this chart and learn it. It will help you to change the sentences into passive voice. Children, here is one exercise for you. Rewrite the following sentences into passive voice. You copy down these sentences in a notebook and change it into passive voice according to the rules. That's all for today. Here we have come to an end of the chapter. I hope you understand it. Now we will meet with a new chapter in the next video. Thank you.